So I didn't scare you off yet, huh? Good. Hollywood might need you. Step 1 was make something. Step 2 is the hard part. Get people to see your movie. Now, to pull this off, I think there are 3 key factors to keep in mind. Before I go any further, I would first like to say thank you to all of my subscribers. This channel is growing much quicker than I anticipated it growing. I anticipated this road taking longer to even the subscribers I got, so I'm grateful. So you completed your film. You feel really good about it. Great. First, have a test screening. Now, what do I mean by this? Don't show it to anyone important. You think your movie's perfect, show it to a friend who's willing to be honest with you. Here's why you do this. Because there are going to be a lot of scenes in your movie that you don't need, that get in the way, that slow your movie down. And you need to get rid of that. You have to. Step 2, kill your darlings. This is the mistake that most people make. Though they see the importance of every scene when they look at it, they don't understand that the audience didn't need that crap. They got what you were getting at with way less. Something else, when you're cutting these scenes, even if your movie becomes an hour and 7 minutes long, that's fine. Don't make it longer than it has to be. You would much rather have a shorter, more enticing film than a longer, boring film that the audience checks out on, but at least it hit its 85-minute mark that the studio demanded. Nobody demanded you make an 85-minute movie. Step 3. Now, this is the easiest part of all. Submit it to festivals. Go to the top festivals first. Go to the American film market. Try to get your film bought. Watch what happens. Learn from this experience. Meet people. Now, most of the people you meet at these events, they can't help your career and they're full of shit anyways. But sometimes you meet some decent money people who are willing to invest in you later. Does that make sense? Because what happens is, if your movie's good enough for the big festival, then it will win at the smaller ones, and you can rack up so many awards that you can walk away saying, you're still an award-winning filmmaker. And if your film got accepted into a major festival, it's only a matter of time before you're working, I promise.